is Bob Mendoza.
Hi, my name is Kara Robinson.
And today we're going to show you how to successfully log into Schoology by going through PBS homepage. So first, when you log into the PBS homepage, public school, you first by clicking the student icon, the student login, and all your login information for your username would be ST, the first letter of your first name, and your last name and the number. For your password, it's just simple, just ST and your student ID. After you successfully type those in, you click login.
You get this, and then you'll scroll down and you'll see the logo for Schoology. You will click that. Your upcoming courses or classes or assignments that you need, and then you'll have overdue, which is when you have late work, which will pop up and say that you overdid this, so you have to do that. And on the top, you'll see that it has like the notifications, the messages where you can message your teachers, the calendars to see your due dates, and also the search button so you can search your classes. So our example we'll show you is a biology class stuff, and then you'll see your class information, and also you'll see the work for the week. It varies on class what it will be work from week, like week 1, week 2, or it can be by days. So on the side of that, you'll see the materials, the updates, your grades, the mastery, people in your classroom, the Clever, and the team meeting. Another example of a class is everything like this. So you have the team meeting, the home access, the Clever. Also, you have your materials like Desmos, Pearson. You also have homework, and you can contact the teacher. There's rooms, and then you have the days of the week where probably your teacher will put the work for the days there. And it's also the same about the materials, the updates, the grades, the members of class, the Clever, and the team meeting. So thank you for letting us be able to show you how to get to Schoology through the Pittsburgh Public School homepage for this school year.